Place the alarm into engineer mode. We need to remove the cover from the Protec fog cannon. Disconnect the battery. Remove the Protec fog cannon fluid container. Remove the old, unused bottle of forensic taggant liquid. Insert the test bottle . Place the cap from the test bottle on the unused bottle of forensic taggant liquid and retain for safekeeping until it can be returned to Smart Water Direct. Reconnect the battery and the LED will extinguish in approximately 5 seconds. Now invert the intruder signal to give 12 volts at points G and H. Activate the PIR. The system should trigger and spray test liquid from the nozzle. A bucket should be placed underneath to catch the liquid. This will also trigger the fog cannon, which may disperse a small amount of residual fog. The LED on the Smart Water PCB will remain illuminated during this. Before inserting into the spray unit, you will need to register your unique forensic taggant liquid using the app or online registration link. Disconnect the battery. Insert your now registered Smart Water forensic taggant liquid. Also make sure that you have placed all outputs on the alarm panel in their normal position. Reconnect the battery. Again, the LED will extinguish after 5 seconds. Reinsert the Protec fog fluid container. Replace the lid on the Protec fog cannon. Remember to place the alarm back into its normal operation. Your annual maintenance is complete and the system is now working.